A completely new chapter in transportation is beginning, and it is unlike anything humanity has experienced before. A spherical vehicle from Japan is catching attention not just in the United States but also across the entire world. For the very first time, flying motorcycles and hybrid personal vehicles that can shift smoothly between the road and the sky are here. What is even more surprising is that these inventions are already undergoing real-world testing in both Japan and the United States, with full-scale rollout planned for early next year. The first launch is expected to take place in 4 major American cities, Los Angeles, Miami, New York, and Chicago, followed by more than 10 large cities across 6 countries around the world. All prototypes are prepared, and mass production is very close. So, what do these new machines actually look like? How do they function? And can they realistically become the next common form of transportation in the near future? Welcome to AMP Drive. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we bring you the most exciting updates about Tesla, technology, and the future of mobility. Do not forget to hit the like button and turn on notifications so you never miss a fresh update. One of the most thrilling new projects in personal flight is the Volonaut Airbike created by Polish inventor Tomasz Patton. Patton, who played a role in launching Jetson, the company behind the Jetson 1 electric vertical takeoff machine, has now revealed a working prototype of this single-seat flying motorcycle. The Airbike truly looks like something taken straight from a science fiction film. Reaching speeds as high as 124 miles per hour, it uses a jet propulsion system to lift and move, making it possible to travel smoothly through spaces where normal vehicles could never pass. The design is especially attractive because of its compact structure and the absence of exposed rotors, which adds both safety and efficiency. The rider leans forward in the seat, gaining a complete 360-degree view, while the built-in stabilization system keeps the craft steady in the air and makes handling feel natural. Its frame is built using 3-dimensional printed ultra-light carbon fiber, making it nearly 7 times lighter than a typical motorcycle frame. Even though it has only recently been shown to the public, the Airbike is already gaining strong interest among technology lovers and aviation fans. There is no official announcement yet on the price or release date, but engineers are already studying how it could be used for city transportation or even in emergency services. With its sleek aerodynamic shape and surprisingly low noise levels, this Airbike may very well be a serious candidate for the next stage of urban mobility. Meanwhile, in China, the Moji aircrafting team has been developing an unusual flying craft known as an ekranoplan. This unique vehicle takes advantage of the ground effect to glide above water at very high speeds. It is an extraordinary concept. In just 100 days, they built a full-scale ekranoplan able to carry one person, using lightweight but durable materials such as reinforced KT panels and aerospace-grade aluminum. The machine is powered by drone-style electric motors and batteries, which makes it both powerful and environmentally friendly. During testing, the remotely controlled vehicle showed strong stability, impressive speed, and reliable liftoff by using the air cushion effect. The success of this project has sparked further interest in modifying it for rescue operations, especially in coastal or lake regions where its ability to glide just above the water could be a true lifesaver. Of course, as inspiring as this progress is, one must not forget that these pioneers still face many challenges in refining their inventions for everyday public use. Then we have Toyota's T-Spinner, a spherical vehicle that looks as though it belongs in a futuristic science fiction movie. This transparent 2-seat pod rotates and moves using a system similar to a hamster wheel, controlled by a joystick inside. Its ability to rotate and turn in any direction, even within crowded urban settings, could completely change how people move in cities. Engineers have worked relentlessly to make this vision real, moving from a small-scale model to a full-sized prototype in just a matter of months. Plans are already underway to add smart glass and heads-up displays for improved visibility. Soon, this kind of vehicle could become a normal part of busy streets, finally solving the long-standing issue of navigating through narrow areas. RTOR has introduced another creative idea with their Sky Rider X1, a scooter that functions both as a ground vehicle and as a small aircraft. This electric scooter folds itself into a flying drone, making the switch between road and sky quick and easy. It can fly for up to 40 minutes and reach speeds of over 62 miles per hour. That makes it far more than just a fun gadget, it is a real step forward in transportation. With safety in mind, the X1 includes an autopilot feature, which makes it user-friendly even for beginners. The thought of moving through crowded cities by simply lifting off the ground is thrilling, though it still comes with challenges like government approval and the need for new infrastructure. In Japan, Lyft Aircraft has been testing its electric vertical flying vehicle, marking a big milestone in bringing aerial transport into regular city life. Passengers can ride in this craft without needing a pilot license, which could make flying accessible to ordinary people in a way never seen before. The aircraft uses 8 electric motors powered by lithium batteries and has received strong praise for its smooth handling and quiet operation. Its environmentally friendly nature is a reminder that progress in mobility does not have to damage the planet. In New Zealand, Martin Aircraft Company has been working on the Martin Jetpack, a personal vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that has already won a lot of attention. Powered by a V4 gasoline engine, the Jetpack can reach speeds of around 46 miles per hour and climb up to 2,500 meters in altitude. Although it has shown promise in controlled trials, the company ran into financial troubles a few years back, slowing progress. Still, efforts are underway to bring it back to life, and its possible uses in emergency response or quick rescue missions could make it extremely valuable. Its price is steep, ranging from $150,000 to $250,000 depending on the setup, but the technology is undeniably exciting. At Expo 2025, Skyriv's SD05 flying car made its public appearance, hovering by itself for 4 minutes and proving that flying cars may soon become part of reality. While Japan is still working to catch up to China, where EHang has already been granted approval to run air taxis, the possibilities are limitless. These flying cars could completely reshape how we think about urban mobility, though safety and infrastructure concerns must be solved first. The story does not end there. Jason from the J Laser channel has unveiled his final version of a homemade flying hoverboard, inspired by famous characters like Iron Man and the Green Goblin. This fascinating project is proof of how creativity and engineering can meet. With 10 electric motors lifting a person into the air, it is not yet practical for daily use, but Jason plans to improve its range and altitude. It shows how individual inventors can still push the limits of what seems possible. Also, Brazilian engineer Marcelo Labrador's human drone project is another daring attempt in personal aviation. Built with several strong motors and designed to lift a human into the air, it proves the spirit of innovation is alive, even when resources are limited. While the project is still young, it points to the incredible potential of personal aerial vehicles in the future. All these advancements tell us something powerful. The future of transportation is full of excitement, but also responsibility. The mission should always be to make human life easier, safer, and more connected. This journey is just beginning, and the progress is promising, but careful steps are needed to overcome challenges ahead. And while the world is fascinated with flying cars and futuristic bikes, Tesla under Elon Musk is busy preparing another kind of revolution. As the global leader in electric vehicle sales, Tesla is not satisfied with only producing familiar cars and sport utility vehicles. It is also pushing forward with minibuses, heavy-duty trucks, electric pickups, and even rumored smartphones. These ideas are not only changing the auto industry but also raising deeper questions about how electric vehicles will reshape the way we live and move. Over the past several years, Tesla has kept its position as the leader in electric vehicles. In the second quarter of 2025 alone, Tesla built more than 410,000 vehicles and delivered over 384,000, showing its massive industrial strength. From there, Tesla has continued experimenting with new designs, including heavy trucks, pickup trucks, minibus plans, mass-market hatchbacks, and futuristic robotaxis. This wide-ranging approach shows how Tesla is not afraid to innovate, even while facing real-world production struggles. The Tesla semi-truck, for example, shows the challenge of moving from prototype to scale. PepsiCo received the first trucks in 2022, but large rollouts have been slower due to battery supply and production limits. Hiring is now expanding for the semi-program as Tesla prepares for a higher output. The Cybertruck remains Tesla's boldest move in design. Although its start was rough, production is now underway in Texas, with the company aiming for 2,500 trucks per week by the end of 2025. International deliveries to the Middle East are also scheduled soon. Recalls and delays have happened, but Tesla still closed out 2024 with nearly 39,000 Cybertrucks sold, making it the top-selling electric pickup in the United States. Tesla's battery roadmap is another key part of the story. Its 4680 cells had some hurdles, while lithium iron phosphate batteries from suppliers like BYD are now widely used in affordable models. This mixture of internal breakthroughs and outside partnerships keeps Tesla pushing ahead. Beyond vehicles, Tesla is investing in robotaxi projects, energy storage systems like the Megapack, and even exploring consumer tech. Its energy business alone deployed over 31 gigawatt-hours of storage in 2024, more than double the year before. Homes are also turning into mini power plants with Tesla Powerwalls. The company is balancing short-term stability through mass production with long-term ambition in Robotaxi, next-generation batteries, and futuristic designs. The results are impressive but come with repeated hurdles like recalls, regulation, and scaling challenges. Still, Tesla has transformed the auto world and pushed clean energy into mainstream discussion. The question remains, how can Tesla turn prototypes into mass-market success? And how can flying motorcycles or spherical cars be the future if basic electric vehicles still face big delays? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section. Thanks for watching today's video from Amp Drive. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, share it with others, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss another important Tesla or technology update. We thank you for your support, and we cannot wait to see you again in the next video. Goodbye.